What's going on, guys? Dr. Mike here. We have Tyler in house today, and tell me a little bit about what's going on, Tyler. Where are you feeling the pain at?
Yeah, so a little bit in my neck, a little bit in my back as well. I play a lot of golf,
Okay.
so just normal aches and pains.
Okay. Any tightness in the shoulders at all, like between the shoulder blades?
A little bit.
Okay.
I wouldn't say that's a particular bad area.
Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down, and we'll get everything checked out. All right. Okay, we're going to bring the arms down to the armrest here. All right. I'm going to start from feeling from the neck down to the lower back. You let me know if any spots feel sore or anything, okay?
Okay.
Any tenderness in through here at all?
Nope, no pain.
Okay. Gonna check that leg length for any rotation in his hips. Okay, a little short on the right. Slide down just a little bit for me, a little bit more. There we go. All right, you're gonna feel the table prop up from beneath you just like that. I'm gonna apply pressure in a few spots and it's just gonna drop like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, a little bit of pressure here. Okay. Take that out to the side. Okay, one more over here. All right, a little tight up top there.
A little bit.
Go ahead and lay on your side facing me this way. All right, we're gonna bring that shoulder out from under you and just lay back nice and comfortable. We're gonna bring that top leg up. It's gonna feel like you're rolling off the table, but you're not going anywhere. Okay, you're gonna take a big deep breath in. You're gonna blow it all the way out. Roll to your other side for me. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to bring that top leg up. Bring those arms just like that. Same thing, big breath in, all the way out. Good. On your back. Okay. Give yourself a big tight hug. We're going to start up top, right in that tight area. Big breath in, all the way out. A little bit lower, big breath in, all the way out. There we go, that was good right there.
That's a good one.
All right, just relax back. We're gonna pull traction on your legs. You're gonna feel this in the knee and all the way up in the hip. Just relax the weight of the leg. Good. Same thing over here. Good. You feel those all the way up into the hip there?
Yeah, yep.
Slide back just a little bit. Where do you feel the tension at in the neck? Is it on both sides, just one side?
I'd say the right side's a little bit tighter, close to like the trap.
Okay.
I'd say like lower neck.
Okay, yeah, I definitely feel that tightness on the lower left. So we're gonna bring you all the way out and bite down on that gum. There we go. We got one more on the top right. Good. All right, Tyler, we're gonna break out the Y strap now. Now, Tyler, you do self-adjust your neck every once in a while, correct?
I do, yes.
Okay. Go ahead and pick your head up a little bit. Okay, and relax back down. Okay. What I want you to do here is just stay nice and relaxed. We're just gonna do a quick pull, and you're gonna feel this all the way down to the lower back here. Little traction. Good. You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to help you sit up now. I'm going to put a towel down, that way we can work on those muscles in the mid-back.
Okay.
You can go ahead and take your shirt off. Go ahead and lay face down for me. Yeah, I can even see here, like where you're getting that tightness.
Mhm.
It even extends kind of all the way down into the mid to lower area there as well. So we're going to work kind of all the way through here.
Okay.
You let me know if any spots are too sore or anything when I'm working down here, okay?
Okay.
Feel some knots up top here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're already getting that redness down in that lower area. Doing okay so far?
Mhm. Fine.
Yeah, a lot of tightness right in through between the shoulder blades.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna work a little bit on the other side. You can see just how
This
quickly,
one, yeah, it's much less
Yeah.
on the other side.
a little less red as well, so there's not
Yeah.
as much tension buildup here.
So it gets more red as it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where the trigger points are.
Okay.
It's catching up a little bit, but it's still a little bit lighter. All right, Tyler, I'm going to have you sit up facing the wall.
Okay.
We're going to work up top in the trap area, but we're going to use the large tool, so we're going to put a little bit more pressure on you.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to start on the left. Just let me know if it's too much. I do already feel some knots here.
Yep. It's all good.
Yeah, I'm sure you feel that right there.
I can feel it clicking. Common area for those.
Mm-hmm. Right in the upper area of the shoulder blade. Those muscles run all the way up and through here in the neck, so you can always get those trigger points right in through here, and you'll feel that kind of clicking as I roll over
Yep.
it. You get nice and red in through there too.
Yeah, there's one.
Yeah, you can even see as I roll over it right there. Okay. All right, we're gonna work on that other side now. A little less tight on this side.
It is. Yep. It feels like it was the same as the back,
Mhm.
the mid back. Left side was a lot more tight.
Yeah, getting nice and red right in through here again, same as the other side.
Yep.
Okay, a little bit more up and through the neck and the shoulder. Alright. Alright, so let me wipe everything off. you can go ahead and put your shirt back on.
Okay.
And move around a little bit, see how everything feels.
Yeah,
We
everything feels
adjusted
good.
you head to
Yeah.
toe, so everything should feel nice and loosened up. And the Y strap will really help decompress everything. Everything
Yep.
feels good?
Everything feels good, man.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.